In this lesson, we are going to look at drill through filter in Power BI. Drill through filter, like the normal filter, is not a part of the filter pane and it cannot be added as a slicer to your dashboard. It is a part of the visualization pane at the bottom. A drill through filter is basically a filter which establishes the connection between number 1, your main page, and number 2, your landing page. You can see this dashboard. There are so many visuals. There are 4 scorecards are there. There are 3 slicers are there. There is a tree map. This is the combo chart. This is the do not chart. This is the chart. This is the bar chart. This is the table. So these are the visuals that we have created in this dashboard. Suppose you want to give this option to your end users, and the end user is interested to know customer related information. Suppose take for example Aaron Bootman, from which country he belongs to, which state he has the offices, or which cities he has the office operations, and what are the total number of products, what kind of products that what are the products that he has purchased, what are the total sales that he has generated, what is the total profit, take for example, and how many products are returned. All this is all this information you want to give to the end users. How can you give? This is quite impossible in the main page, because your main page cannot have all this information because you have already created so many visuals here. So what you can do, you can create this. This is the second page that I have created. This is one table, this is also one table. Okay, this is a scorecard, total sales. This I have created. This is scorecard, means this is for the profit. This is the count of return status. So return status I have added to this, like filter on this page I have added, and I will just use this filter. So this is the total discount that is given to the customers. So how can we do this? Suppose we want to give this information to the end users. So what we can do, because we are going to filter this customer name, therefore what we want to do, we have to add this customer name to this drill through. This is the options add drill through field here. This is written. We can add here. Okay. So this is the customer related in that this is the customer field that we have added here. We can go to the main page. This is the page number 1. Suppose I want to give this information. Suppose Aaron Cunningham's. I want to get this customer information. What I can do, I can right click here. So this now drill through option is active because we have added drill through in the landing page. Okay. So drill through, then we can enter into the second page. In the second page I have added it. So I can click here. So now I have got this Aaron Cunningham. He is from Austria. Okay, he has offices in Austria, France, Germany, Ireland, and United Kingdom. So these are the states he has the offices, and these are the cities he has the offices. Okay, these are the products that he has purchased. Total number of products that he has purchased. This is the count of the product. This is the 15 number. This is the count of the. Suppose I want to check how many products are returned. Simple, what I can do, I can select here. So return is option. That means 2 products are returned. Okay, these are the 2 products that he has returned. Okay. So here for the particular customers like Aaron Cunningham, total sales that he has generated like 2463, and total profit has been generated 459. This is the customer total count of returns total. It is telling because we have not filtered all. So this is the discount that we have given. So this is here is a one arrow button is there. This arrow, suppose we want to go back to the previous page, means where the main page. So what we can do, we can control here, okay, and click here, else we can click on here like page number 1. So we can press control and click here. Okay, it will take us to the main page. Similarly, suppose we want to we want to check the information about Arun the way. So I can also go to the second page. I will also get the information relating to him. Okay. So all these informations are related to Arun Dave. So this is the country, this is the city, this is the states, and these are the products, these are the count of the products. Okay, suppose how many are, these are sold, there is nothing return, therefore return option is not coming here. Once again we can go back, like press control and click here. So we have got it. Suppose we want to check here the certain, this is especially, this is the region wise sales we have, sales and profit we have. Suppose I want to see certain regions like informations. So here you can see, let us right click here. So this drill through option is not coming here. The reason being because we have not filtered this region column. We have filtered this customer field, especially for the customer field we have filtered. We have not that added this region to the drill through. Once we like suppose we want to add, we want to know some of the informations regarding this region, we can also add this drill through. Okay, so therefore this drill through option is not coming. So let us remember this, there is a difference between these drill through and filter pen. Okay, earlier we have looked at filter pen, especially this drill through filter is basically used, uh, it is used when you want to establish a connection between number one, your main page and your landing page. Okay, this is the context where drill through options, drill through filter is used. That's for the lessons. Thank you very much.